Long, long ago, when animals could still speak the language of humans, Tortoise was the most elegant creature in the forest. His shell was smooth, shiny, and flawless, glistening like polished marble. All the other animals envied his beautiful shell, and Tortoise took great pride in it. In fact, he would often boast to the others about how he had the finest armor in the entire animal kingdom. One day, the mighty Sky King, ruler of the skies, decided to host a grand feast up in the clouds, inviting all the animals to join. The birds fluttered in excitement, but those bound to the ground felt left out. Tortoise, ever the clever one, came up with an idea. He approached the birds and sweetly asked, "Would you be kind enough to give me feathers so I can join you in the sky? I promise to represent all land animals at the feast." The birds, impressed by Tortoise's charm and eloquence, agreed. They each gave him a feather, and soon Tortoise had a pair of magnificent wings, adorned with feathers of every color. With his new wings, Tortoise soared into the sky. When he arrived at the feast, he found that the Sky King had prepared a table full of the most delicious fruits and grains ever seen. But Tortoise, greedy and cunning, told the birds, "In my land, we give ourselves new names at feasts. I shall call myself All of You." Confused, the birds agreed to this odd tradition. When the feast began, the Sky King announced, "The food is for all of you." Tortoise smiled wickedly, for the food was now meant for him alone. After all, his name was All of You. He devoured everything on the table, leaving not a crumb for the others. Angry and betrayed, the birds decided to teach Tortoise a lesson. They snatched back their feathers, leaving Tortoise stranded in the clouds with no way to return to the ground. Desperate, Tortoise called down to his friend, Eagle. "Please, tell the other animals to lay soft things on the ground so I can jump and land safely." But the birds were still furious. Eagle instead told the other animals, "Tortoise says you should pile rocks, sticks, and the hardest things you can find." When Tortoise finally leaped from the clouds, he came crashing down onto the hard ground. His once flawless shell shattered into pieces. The animals, though upset by Tortoise's trickery, felt pity for him and carefully patched his shell back together. From that day on, Tortoise's shell has been cracked as a reminder of the consequences of greed and deception.